morning students, myself Dr. Bharati Patil. We have started our syllabus related to number systems and logic gates. In that we have covered the points related to binary number system. In our previous lecture we have seen the binary to decimal conversion and also decimal to binary conversion. In today's lecture we are going to see the conversion of decimal fraction number to binary. In our last lecture, we have converted a decimal number 34 to its binary equivalent, and now suppose given decimal number is in fraction, then how to convert it into its respective binary number. Suppose the given number is 0.632. This is the decimal fraction number. It is a decimal fraction number 0.632. In our previous lecture, we have seen that we have used double method in order to convert 34 to its binary equivalent. Now, the given number, decimal number is in fraction. In order to convert it in its binary number, we have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. The rule is called as multiply by 2. So, each step we have to multiply by 2. In previous lecture, we have seen each time we were dividing 34 by 2. Here, in decimal fraction to binary number, we have to multiply by 2. So let's multiply this given number with 2. 2 2s are 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3. So we have obtained this number. Again, we have to write this number here. Means we have obtained 0.264 as a fraction, and we have to write 1 as a carry. We have written 1 as a carry. So we have separated this fraction portion and this carry portion. So fraction portion and carry portion. In this we have to multiply each time the given fraction by 2. Now we have obtained this fraction. So I have to write here this fraction. Again I have to multiply it with 2. So I have obtained this number or this fraction. Here there is no carry. Carry is 0. So here carry is 0. And fraction part is 0.528. Here as a carry. Again I have obtained this fraction. So I have to multiply the given fraction again by 2. So I have obtained this number. Again I have to split it into fraction part. And I have to write this number as a carry. So I have obtained now 1 as a carry. Again I have obtained the fraction. So I have to multiply it by 2. So again I have obtained a fraction with 0 carry. So here carry is 0 and fraction is 112. 0.112 as a carry. Again, to this fraction I have to multiply by 2. So I have obtained this fraction. Again, carry is 0 and fraction part is 2 to 4. Now I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to repeat 3 more times in order to complete 1 byte. Total 8 times I have to perform this operation of multiplying the given fraction or the remaining fraction by 2. So again 0.224 into 2. Again carry is 0 and fraction becomes 448. Again I have to multiply this number by 2. Again I have obtained this fraction, means carry 0 and fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now last time I have to perform the same multiplication by 2. 0, 8, 9, 6 into 2. So I have obtained this number. This number consists of 1 as a carry and this as a fraction part. So I have reached to 8, that is 8 bits, means 1 byte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is a fraction. So in our previous example of converting 34 into binary, we have taken this number as most significant digit and this number as a least significant bit. But in case of fraction, we have to consider this as a most significant bit and this as a least significant bit. So while writing final answer, I have to follow this trend. Means I have to start to write the number, binary number as 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Binary, hence I have to write here 2. So I have converted the decimal fraction 0.632 to its binary equivalent number as 101000001. So this is the simple procedure to find out the to convert the decimal fraction number to binary. So what is the procedure? We have taken one decimal fraction number and it is 0.632. While converting a fraction to binary, I have to multiply by 2 in each step. Then I will obtain a number It consists of a fraction part and this integer part. I have to write this integer part as a carry. Then, and this fraction part I have to take for further multiplication by 2. So I have taken this 0.264 and again I have multiplied it with 2. I have obtained this value. Then as there is no, this number is used as a carry, then this number is used as a carry and this number is available for further multiplication. Again to this number I have multiplied with 2. I have obtained this number. Again 1 becomes carry and this becomes fraction. To this fraction again I have multiplied with 2 and this process continues. I have obtained 0.112 and 0 as a carry. Like that I have continued this process 8 times, for 8 times, because we know that in binary we will have a bit, then nibble and byte. Byte comprises of 8 bits. So I have continued this operation for 8 times and I have obtained 10100001. But now question is that whether this will become a most significant bit or this will become a most significant bit. So when we deal with a fraction number and we want to convert it into binary, then the uppermost bit will serve as a most significant bit and this lower bit will serve as a least significant bit, and hence we have to write the number as 10100001 and at subscript we have to mention 2 as it is a binary equivalent of 0.632 decimal fraction. Thank you.